Shri Matre Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Shri Bhagwan Ramana Maharishi. He is my Atmic Guru and the true self that embodies every form, everything, all the things, all the existences, everything for me. And here is my altar at which is seated Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devi, and today I have done an expanded energization work of my own tools of wealth that I have with me. These are special gifts that have come to me, for which I am so grateful, and it is my heartfelt longing to share these blessings with you so that you can also enhance your life. You can also enjoy the highest states of wealth, wisdom, and purnata. So, one by one, I am just showing you all the things here that I have with me at my altar, and you can read more about them, you can understand how they work for you, and you can see how you can bring them into your life for your enhancements. So, the first one is the Vignaharata Uchishta Ganapati, that without whose blessings nothing can start. So, the abundance, the wealth, even Shakti's grace is possible only by the beginning grace of Uchista Ganapati. This is Uchista Ganapati idol, and this is the sacred yantra that is made in copper for Uchista Ganapati. After that, I am coming to these set of things here that you are seeing. So I have the Shri Yantra, I have the Kamalgatta Mala, which is very favorite of Shri Mahalakshmi, and then there are these set of things that I have. This is basically the Kamya Sindoor along with the Kamakhya sacred Vastram, which is inside the tabiz. And then I have the Kaudis that you can see. These are the Kaudis, these are the Raj Kaudis, the normal Pili Kaudis, and the Gomti Chakras. These are very dear to Mahalakshmi. I have the Shankh, which is so amazing that when I actually put it onto my ear, I can hear the oceanic bliss waves from the universe, bliss of abundance, bliss of pure vibration. Then I have these three yantras here that are very beautiful and specially designed and crafted for wealth. This is the Kamakhya yantra, this is the Kuber yantra, and this is the Mahalakshmi yantra. After this, I bring to you two very unique tantric tools which are amazingly auspicious for attracting wealth and for psychic protection in our life, overall well-being, health. This is the Hath Jodi. We will speak more about it later. These are the pair of CR Singhis that I have arranged for myself. So these are the set of or the set of tools which are mainly for wealth, abundance, and Mahalakshmi energies to bless my life. Other than that, I am also doing a lot of work with crystals, and I find that to be really helpful for me in many areas of my life. So I use this beautiful bright yellow crystal that you see here, This is the citrine healing crystal, which is wonderful for enhancing wealth. This is the pyrite crystal. As you can see, it's sparkling and glowing. And this is the citrine Sri Yantra pendant. It's beautifully embossed with Sri Yantra and carrying the golden energies of abundance from the Hiranyagarbha itself, the source code. Here is the citrine bracelet, which can be tried by anybody. It's easy to wear, very beautiful to see. This is the pyrite bracelet that can be worn for wealth energies. This is my citrine and pyrite mala of 108 beads. And here is an amazing tool that I use to charge all my crystals. This is the selenite crystal plate or the charging plate, which helps me energize and fortify energies or whatever I place on it. So it enhances, it energizes, and it upgrades. So that's the property of selenite, that it activates anything that is placed on it. So I use it to charge my water, my crystals, my watch, a lot of things. So I place the pyrite on the selenite plate here and I leave it overnight. That helps me to charge my crystals. Thank you very much for taking out the time to see this, and I hope that these tools benefit you and bring lots and lots of Saubhagyam to your life. Shri Matre Namaha.